For the most advanced designers that want an extra level of customization, we will introduce the term unlocking the repeatables. This advanced move in Designer Pro comes into play when a designer needs to style a particular repeatable different from the rest, in some cases to feature it or bring more emphasis to it so that it really stands out. To do this, click into the Layout tab. Navigate to the block that houses the repeatables you wish to unlock. Click into the repeatable container. Then, click into the top accordion tab. Inside this tab, you have the option to experiment with height matching, which will expand or contract the elements inside the repeatables so that they all align with each other and snap into place. The other option available is to check or uncheck the checkbox labeled Lock Repeatable Children. Unchecking this box will unlock the repeatables and individualize them all. Now that they have been unlocked, click back into the Layout tab to reach the block level. Take a look at the layout tree. You'll see that all of the repeatables have been separated from each other. This will allow you to click into any of them and individually make changes that you deem appropriate. Sometimes, just by altering the width of a featured repeatable to 100% will bring enough emphasis to it to really have it stand out from the crowd. The rest of the changes are up to you. Incredibly important tip here. Make sure to style all your repeatables when they are locked together first, and then, as a last step, you can unlock them all and give one more emphasis. Remember, if you want to make changes to the rest of the repeatables all at once, you will need to click back into the Repeatable Container tab and recheck that checkbox to lock the repeatable children together again. And yes, repeatable resizing and restyling can be customized for mobile and tablet as well. After all, we need to make sure our event's important people are shining on all devices.